Hello, my name is Andy with AMR Engineering, and this small video I'm taking with our digital camera is to show you the difference in machine quality that we produce versus many other brands. This coilover on the right is basically your just poorly made coilover system, which is okay from the looks of it. It's got great anodizing, but as far as from a machinist standpoint, it's poorly made. And as you can see, ours is really shiny and polished looking. And in actuality, the reality is this is actually the way it comes off our equipment. And it's the type of bit that we use as well as the tooling, and it leaves a very, very superior finish. And all we do is clear anodize these. There's no finish work really involved. And this coilover on the right actually has some pretty prominent machine lines, and that's really the tooling. It's not a cosmetic thing that a lot of people would like to think, but it's actually poor tooling. So you could actually feel how prominent these machine lines are, and you could actually hear it with the tip of my finger. So we'll listen in. Can you hear that, guys? That's how prominent they are, and that's actually throughout the entire coilover, including the body itself. So with ours, it's actually smooth as butter. Really won't hear anything. It's very smooth, shiny, and in actuality, we actually machined this top mount on the left to match this one so we could actually do a direct comparison, because our actual top mounts are actually looking like this. So this is our top mount. This is the top mount we made to match this one so we could do a direct comparison. And as you can see, this one is a really nice quality piece, and this is, like I said, is not polished. This is exactly the way it comes off our equipment, and that's the way we like it. That's something that really differs us from a lot of these other companies, is purely the machine work that we do on our product is really, really that good. And we take great pride in the quality of machine work that we do, and that is one of the key things that makes our product last and really makes it look good. And don't be fooled by a lot of the other companies out there that say they have really good tooling, but you'll really notice that a lot of the stuff that they have is actually polished. And you could still see the machine lines, but they're very, very faint. I'm talking very faint. And you can't really feel them with your finger at all. And like I said, here we go again. Nothing. Nothing. So that's the best I could do. I wish I had a digital camera that could capture this a little bit better and that you could actually see. But you'll see this on a lot of the other coilovers in the sub $500 range. And like I said, they're really using poor tooling, and that's really the downfall of their product. And nothing against them. They serve a purpose, and they really help a lot of people out there that can't afford a quality coilover system. But that really is one of the biggest differences between a really good coilover system and a bad one. Hopefully that helps, and if not, I'm sorry. And just really wanted to kind of show you guys what we're all about. And thank you for listening and viewing this video.